The pig was probably like the corn more than the goats, right? Can I feed? No.
It might bite. Do not stick fingers through fence. You want to milk the cow? Go milk it. What else is over here? Look. Wow, Chuck.
I'm good with sheep now. Second one.
Cluck like a chicken. Bray like a donkey. Oh. Spin it again. Ma like a goat. Ma. Moo like a cow, Chunk. Moo. Crow like a rooster. Let's see. Meow like a cat. Meow. 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 Hop like a bunny. Oink like a pig. Oink, oink. Quack like a duck. Quack, quack. What else did we miss? Neigh like a horse. Neigh. Buzz like a bee. Buzz.